Well, let's tell you about some of the midday buzzers in today's trade. Well, by and large, the markets are looking awfully lackluster. We're just about holding out around the 13,700 mark. The broader markets as well down about 0.5%. So you've definitely got that bias in favor of the losing side. But despite that, there's that one pocket that's holding out with quite a bit of conviction, and that is the IT sector. In fact, just take a look as to what's happening with some of those individual constituents. You've got Infosys, HCL Tech, Coforge, Mindtree, all of which are active, and the IT index as well is bucking the general trend. Well, the reason for this is largely on the back of that Accenture news that came out, whereby you did have the guidance from Accenture that was very encouraging. In fact, it was above what the street had also penciled in. So essentially, Accenture said that their FY revenue growth is at about 4 to 6% versus 2 to 5%. They see operating cash flows at $6.5 to $7.15 billion, and they expect Q2 revenue between $11.5 billion to $11.95 billion. So clearly coming in above street estimates. That has led to this up move within the IT basket. You've also got that report that came out from Credit Suisse saying that the revenue from Accenture was ahead of guidance. They're bullish on Infosys given the expectations of its industry-leading revenue, as well as HCL Technologies on the back of its attractive valuations. Meantime, TCS as well, that stock within the IT basket, is also looking good, and that's largely on the back of the 16,000 crore rupee buyback offer that opens today, 3,000 rupees per share, and this is the third stage of the buyback offer after the company offer from the company after August 2018 and May 2017. In fact, a lot of conviction. The stock has gained quite smartly, with respect to the news of that buyback announcement. And they have, remember, given record-breaking compounded returns to investors with a 30 to 50% acceptance ratio. So watch out for TCS. Meantime, L&T Tech as well is another mid-cap IT company, though CLSA has upgraded the stock to outperform from underperform with a target price at 2020, saying that the recent deal wins are improving the long-term growth outlook and that the worst appears to be behind now for the company for ER&D services. It has inelasticity of cost structure, which could now help, and the deal traction just really helps the overall growth visibility. DHFL as well is in focus. Remember, the COC is going to meet today to evaluate the resolution plans and the feasibility and the viability of that. So the total bid amount from Oaktree is about 36,640 crores. Piramal's bid at 35,500 crore rupees. So watching out for that. Meantime, Burger King, after an absolutely whopper of a start, second straight day that the stock has hit the lower circuit. It's quoting at about 160 thereabouts now after a jump nearly 125% on its listing. The IPO price, remember, the issue price was about 60 rupees per share. So these are some of your afternoon buzzers.